going on tonight, Katie?
We are having dinner at the Parker's house.
How was
Thank you to them for the amazing meal. It was really good.
We're doing spray cleaning. We're wiping all the windows out there.
That's Katie. What are we doing today, Tyrone?
We are scrubbing off the puck marks on the side of the board. That's what we're doing today, and we're almost done too. We're ahead of schedule.
Ooh, is it hard?
Oh yeah, it is hard. Some of them are just like permanently stuck on there. Some of them are just like easy as pie. Your magic eraser stuff, like yeet, it's gone.
Cool, can you give me a little demo here?
Okay. You get this stuff. Careful guys, you don't get on the skin.
All right.
Okay, you go like this, there's one like this. You see this mark? Maybe it's permanent, I don't know. You see if it goes on. Oh wait, slowly, it'll slowly work.
Oh. Really gotta have a lot of elbow grease in there.
Yep. Look at that, boom, look at that, it's gone.
Wow. And you have to do that for the whole rink?
Yes.
What are we doing here and where are we?
We're volunteering in a gun show and we're just moving stuff to the tables from the cars and looking at the guns. So good.
And we are in High Prairie, he forgot to say that.
Oh yeah.